running like Adidas, moving like a cheetah, feeling like the man of the year every season. I be running like Adidas, moving like a cheetah, feeling like the man of the year every season. I be running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Now I'm running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Now I'm running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Now I'm feeling like the man of the year every season. I be running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Now I'm running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Now I'm running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Now I'm feeling like the man of the year every season. I be running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Acting like the animal, a cannibal, I'm eating tracks. Running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Now I'm feeling like the man of the year every season. I be running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Acting like the animal, a cannibal, I'm eating tracks. Running like Adidas, I be moving like a cheetah. Now I'm feeling like the man of the year every season. I be
So I have Graham Siggins here with me. I know you hate it when people pronounce the H, but I will say Graham Siggins. Anyway, so we just had the second attempt of multi-blind, and tell us what happened.
It was a little bittersweet. I attempted 54 cubes again. It's kind of a safety thing for me. I can do an extra review on 54 and didn't feel like I had clinched the win yet with 46 points. I ended up getting 50 out of 54, but my very attentive judge noticed that when I picked up the fourth cube to memo, I accidentally turned one layer slightly. Turns out it wasn't slight. I turned the whole layer almost a full quarter turn.
Yeah.
And so that cube had to be DNF'd. So 51 out of 54, 48 points.
But in any case,
Still
you are
world
still the
champion.
world champion. And even with your worst attempt, you would be world champion, which is pretty interesting.
Yeah.
So congratulations to you, man. That is very well deserved and probably very long overdue. I have Jack Kai here with me, the Jack Kai. What are your expectations?
Prepping the win free blind. Don't know how far I'll get, but at least podium. But obviously, I'll try to go for the win. So
Yeah.
I guess that's the main thing I'm looking forward to.
We have Guido Di Pietro
Like
from
Russian.
Argentina. So what are your thoughts about the competition?
I mean, the venue is gigantic. The place is enormous. It's simply massive.
So Felix, what are your thoughts about the competition?
It's great. People is great. The venue is great. The atmosphere is great. It's going to be a fun weekend.
じゃあ日本人の皆さん、今日はどうでしたか？
今日はFMC に参加したんですよ。結果的には34点ぐらいアベレージが、まあ、自己ベストは更新したけど練習したら30点きてんじゃないかなって思うから。
今日は出場した 6×6 と 7×7 まあ、単発平均ともに自己ベスト更新できたので良かったです。
6×6 で自己ベスト更新できたので嬉しい
あ
で、す。
いいだね。Okay, so we have Sebastiano Tronto here. So how's the competition going for you?
Pretty well. So yesterday I had FMC and I got third place with a 25.6 mean. So
Yeah.
that's pretty good. Just one move away from winning, but that's fine.
Very nice. You already have a World Championship podium. What do you think about the organization of the World Championship?
Like the venue is amazing. It's even better than 2 years ago, which was
Yeah.
already very good.
Yeah, I know.
The main room is very, very big. It's very nice.
So, Philip Vaya, you are the new Rubik's Cube World Champion.
Yeah.
Will you share your thoughts about the World Championship with us?
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Yeah, the competition in general was fairly good. I got some decent results. I was especially happy about making finals this time. Yeah, and obviously the most amazing thing was just winning the whole thing, pulling through after getting a 9 seconds off and not having any nerves was, yeah, crazy.
So this is your first ever World Championship podium, and you got the most important prize. Right
Exactly,
away.
yeah.
I think that is very well deserved, and I really
Thank
want
you.
to congratulate you.
Thank you.
Probably from everyone, because out of Max, Felix, and you, right, the top 3 currently, you're the only one not to have a podium. And
Yeah, exactly.
That is very well deserved, and I'm very happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.